Hey guys, this time we're going to catch ourselves a Mareep. I have caught mine in the South Province Area 6, but that's not where I recommend you to search for them, because they only accompany Ampharos here. Ampharos has a 2.2% spawn chance. I would recommend you to go to the South Province Area 2. In the olive fields they have a 9.8% spawn chance, and in the Prairie, which is most of the surroundings of this area of Cortondo, is going to be 26%. And at full health, with a normal Pokeball, they have a 41.3% chance to be caught. Good luck!